Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, a little bit of everything with Erin. Today we're going to take one of these charger plates and decorate it for Christmas. I will show you how to put a word around the outer edge. First, I like to measure the plate. This one's about 13 inches. I measure the first indent, I guess, of the plate and then that middle circle as well, so I can kind of make a template inside Silhouette Studio. I'll show you how to do that next. So inside Studio, I will select the drawing tool and I'm going to select a circle. And if you hold the shift button, it makes it even all the way around. And you're just going to pull that out to about the size that we measured. So I'm going to try to get as close to 13 even as I can. So it's okay if it's a little smaller because that just helps with making it correct. I've just remeasured the inner circle, so I'm going to grab the drawing tool again and make that size for the inner circle. Now I'm going to select both and I'm going to hit the transform panel and I'm going to center it horizontally and vertically. That way it becomes a perfect alignment, and then I'm just going to fill that in with color. I'm not going to make a compound path or anything. That way you can see the edge that you can go ahead and type on. So I've gone ahead and typed out Merry Christmas and I'm using a candy cane font, and I'm just going to make that a little larger and I'll fill it in with color so it's easier for you guys to see. And then you're going to drag it over to the template that you made, double click it so you get the little hash arrow thing on the side there, and then pull that onto the circle that's in the middle. And you can see the Y is sitting over, and we know that there's a dent in the plate right there, so that's not going to work. So I'm going to use the arrow to lift it, and then I'm just going to try to center that a little more so that the M and the S kind of meet up better. So when I put it on the plate, it looks okay. I'm still not just happy where this is sitting because I have it in lowercase letters. So I feel like I'm going to change this to caps just so that that Y sits better. And then again, just readjust so that it's even. And you can play with the slider bar depending on how far up or down you want to make it. I kind of try to center it right in the middle there so that I give myself a little leeway to play with if I didn't measure 100% properly. Then I'm just going to right click that and I'm going to go down to convert to path, and that way the letters will stay that way when I move them off of the template. And I'm just going to group the template so that I can save it and it won't move my circles. Then you just want to line that up on your mat and go ahead and send that to cut. And just to save some time, I've already gone ahead and weeded that. We're going to use just regular old contact paper. I get this in the kitchen section of Walmart. And just like any transfer tape, we'll lay that over our vinyl, flip it over, and then I just like to kind of scratch that up on there to loosen it from the backing paper. Then you just want to kind of line it up. And then I'm just going to burnish the letters down. As you can see, I'm trying to get Christmas down a little bit, and then I will lay the vinyl down for Mary. That just helps keep everything even, but do whatever works best for you. When you're laying it down, you'll know how to do that part. You can see it's on there pretty good. And then I just want to burnish it one last time, and then I do use that tool to help keep the vinyl laying flat down when I remove the transfer tape. If using this for food, I do not put any vinyl in the middle of the plate because vinyl technically is not food safe. Alright guys, that is that. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit the bell and you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, happy crafting!